Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's my first video in which we will study about the human anatomy and physiology according to the syllabus of Diploma in Pharmacy first year and Bachelor in Pharmacy first semester. So in human anatomy there are two terms, anatomy and physiology. This anatomy and physiology, these two are the branches of science. And this anatomy and physiology, it is made up of two words, anatomy. First word is ana means up, and tomy means process of cutting. And the other term is physiology. It is also made up of two words. First one is physio means nature, and logy means study of. So how we can define anatomy and physiology? In a simple way we can say that anatomy, there will be a study of the structure, and physiology, there will be the study the function of structure. Function of structure. In anatomy, there will be the study of the structure, and in physiology, there will be the study the function of structure. So, in a simple way, we can define anatomy like it is the science of the body structure. It is the science of the body structure and the relationship among them. Body structure. And physiology, it is the science of the body function, that is how the body parts work. Body function. Now we will study about the branches of anatomy and physiology. So in anatomy there are 10 branches, and in physiology there are 8 branches. So now we will study about the branches of anatomy. In branches of anatomy, first one is embryology. Embryology, it is a study of the first 8 weeks of development after fertilization of human egg. After fertilization of human egg. And second one is developmental biology. It is a study of the complete development of an individual from fertilization to death. From fertilization to death. Embryology after fertilization of human egg, and developmental biology from fertilization to death. Cell biology, the study of cellular structure and function. Structure and function. Fourth one is histology. Histology, it is made up of two words. Hist means tissue, and logy means study. So, study of the microscopic structure of the tissue. Fifth one is gross anatomy. Gross anatomy, it is a study of the structure which can be examined without microscope. Which can be examined without microscope. Sixth one is systemic. It is the study of specific system of the body like nervous system, respiratory system. Seventh one is regional. It is the study of the region of the body. Region of the body like we can say head region, neck region, like this. Then eighth one is surface anatomy. Surface anatomy, it is a study of the anatomical landmark. Anatomical landmark like body surface. like body surface. Ninth one is imaging anatomy. This imaging anatomy is also known as radiographic anatomy, and it is the study of the structure that can be seen with X-rays. Tenth one is pathological. Pathological, it is a study of the structural changes which is associated with the disease. So now we will study about the branches of physiology. Now we will study about the branches of physiology. So first one is neurophysiology. It is a study of the functional properties of nerve cell. Second one is endocrinology. It is the study of hormones and how they control the body function. How they control the body function. Third one is cardiovascular physiology. It is the study of the function of the heart and blood vessels. Cardiovascular physiology, study of the functions of the heart and blood vessels. Fourth one is immunology. Immunology, it is a study of how the body defend itself against disease causing agent. Fifth one is respiratory physiology. It is the study of the functions of the air passageway and the lungs. Air passageway and lungs. Sixth one is renal physiology. It is a study of the function of kidney. Functions of kidney. There is a study of the function of kidney. Seventh one is exercise. It is a study of the change in cell and organ function as a result of muscular activity. Organ function as a result of muscular activity. So last one is pathophysiology. It is a study of the functional changes which are associated with the disease. So these are the 8 branches of physiology. So these are the 8 branches of physiology. Now we will study about the levels of structural complexity of our organization. So now we will study about the levels of structural complexity or organization. So in our body there are 6 levels of structural organization. There are 6 levels of structural organization. So first level is chemical level. Chemical level includes atoms like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium. These all atoms are essential for the maintaining life. Like example, atom plus atom equal to molecule. Like H2 plus O is equal to H2O. H2 is atom, oxygen is atom, and H2O is molecule. Second one is cellular level. Cellular level is molecule plus molecule equal to cell. Molecule plus molecule equal to cell. And cell is the basic structural and functional unit of an organism. And cell is composed of chemicals. Third one is tissue level. Tissue level, a group of cell is called tissue, and tissue they work together to form a particular function. Fourth one is organ level. In organ level, different types of tissue are joined together and forms an organ. When different types of tissue join together to forms an organ. Fifth one is system level. System level like organ plus organ is system. Like system like digestive system, respiratory system, etc. Sixth one is organismal level. Organismal level, all the parts of the human body functioning together to constitute the total organism. Total organism. So next we will study about the systems of human body. That how many systems are there in human body. We will study by one.